This is the new Flow Pro Gimbal, which I fully believe is the best accessory you can buy for your iPhone. And I'm not just saying that because this video is sponsored by Insta360. We've been using the original Flow Gimbal for months, like when we went to CES earlier this year to get high quality professional footage, or when we went to New York and even Taiwan for Computex. But the new Insta360 Flow Pro takes it to the next level with new features like native tracking with Apple's DockKit right within the default camera app, which is a huge deal because this now makes it compatible with over 200 third-party iOS apps like the brand new Final Cut camera app. It also supports Apple continuity camera tracking, which makes sure you're always in frame, and it now has 360-degree infinite pan tracking with no interruptions, which makes it your own personal cameraman in any scenario. But before I dive deep into those features and how they work, I want to show you how easy it is to get this thing set up. Here we have the box and everything is really nice and high quality. You can see all the features of the Insta360 Flow Pro right here. Opens up like this. You have your instructions right here, which is really nice that they added this touch. And right here you can see we have the Insta360 Flow Pro. Look at that. I just love how compact and portable this design is. It's so easy to carry around, and it was super easy to bring to New York in our luggage, the original Insta360 Flow that we used. It was awesome. And my favorite part is the one-step rapid deploy. Check this out. It unfolds in a single motion, which automatically powers it on, as you just saw, and it auto balances the 3-axis gimbal, so you're basically ready to go. And then of course, when you're done, you simply fold it back up just like this, and it powers it off, which is really cool because you know it's turned off, you know it's not gonna use any battery life, it's nice and compact, just like this. And right here on the bottom, you can see this little NFC sticker because this supports instant connection with NFC and pairing. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on just like this. I'm gonna bring my phone close to it and check this out. Boom. Tracking dock just popped up, says locating your accessory. Boom. Insta360 Flow, tap connect. It's connecting. This is probably by far the easiest connection I have ever seen. And the really cool thing about this is that it also supports auto reconnection, which is really nice. And now as far as what's in the rest of the box, we have our Insta360 magnetic phone clamp, which I'll show you how to use. You have your Insta360 Flow quick start guide, safety guidelines, papers right here. It comes with this nice little grip right here that you basically put on the bottom. And it comes with this nice little microfiber baggie to hold everything, which is awesome. You also get a charging cable right here. And here we have the magnetic phone clamp. You can see you can adjust for different sizes of phones. And check out how easy it is to place on your phone just like that. You have it facing up, and all you do is place your phone with the clamp, bam, just like that magnetically, and take a look at that. We have full connection with the iPhone, and as you can see, as I move my wrist, it starts going side to side. You can see that you can also use the joystick up and down, left and right. But check this out right here. You can now buy a MagSafe phone mount separately, which is really cool. You basically just, bam, plop it on the back of your iPhone with MagSafe, and there you go. No phone mount needed. Now what you'd never expect this Insta360 Flow to have is actually a selfie stick. Check this out. All you do is you pull up, and there you go. It has an extendable selfie stick that comes out like this, and you can see that I am now recording myself with a selfie view. You can just imagine me being outside. This can really help you get all your friends in here. This is awesome. And the cool thing is it actually has a joint right here. So you just twist it like that, and now you have the perfect angle with your selfie video just like that. And then when you're done, you simply just collapse it down like this. Now going further, it actually has its own tripod mode. So you just pull down from the bottom like this, and then you can literally just take out this little tripod stand, set it down, and there you go. Just like that, you have a tripod setup that's standing still. I actually used this on the original Insta360 Flow in Taiwan to record our videos there much easier, and it was perfectly stable. And what makes this even better is that it comes with a 2900 milliamp hour battery bank built in, so you could actually plug in a USB-C cable here, plug it into your phone, and just like that, it's recharging your phone and working as a battery bank. And they also have this really cool Insta360 spotlight accessory that you can see right here that you can hook up, and it basically connects in and gives you a light on the top of your phone. So what you do to connect it is you basically just pinch these two little bars right here, stick it on right on the edge, just like that. It snaps in. Then you connect your phone just like that, and you simply plug it into this USB-C port right here, which is meant for accessories. And now you can see that our spotlight is on. It has buttons right on top for brightness, so you can see it getting brighter and then dimmer, just like that. You can also change the color temperature. You can see you got a tungsten right here, got a warm white and a pure white, and you can cycle through those, and you can even spin it around towards yourself just like that. And then that way, if you're recording some selfie video at night or in the dark, you have a spotlight on you, which is really convenient that it comes built in, and it simply plugs into that additional port on the Insta360 Flow Pro. And I do want to mention that the first 30 people that buy the Insta360 Flow Pro using the link in the description below are gonna get a spotlight for free included, so definitely check the link below. And now let's get into my absolute favorite feature of the new Flow Pro, the native tracking with Apple's DockKit feature. Just last month, Apple revealed the DockKit API at WWDC, where they featured the Flow Pro, which is the world's first gimbal to adopt DockKit. Now, as an important note, you have to set up the gimbal using NFC like we did in this video for it to work. So if you didn't do that, definitely reconnect with NFC. Now to show you how it works, I'm just gonna open Apple's default camera app just like this. I'm gonna switch to the front cam and take a look. It is now tracking my face automatically as I'm going around in the default camera app, which is so nice because you don't have to download an additional app or learn how to use a separate app for tracking. It's just working right out of the box. This really makes it the perfect and most convenient gimbal for on-the-go recording without having to go back and forth between your traditional camera to make sure the framing is perfect. This will always keep the framing with the auto tracking, which is so nice. Now, currently, it only works in the video mode in iOS 17, but with Apple's upcoming iOS 18 software update, which is coming this fall, you'll be able to use it in photo, panorama, cinematic, and slow-mo modes. So Flow Pro with iOS 18 is a total upgrade. Now, I actually happen to have the iOS 18 beta installed on my phone, and as you can see, when I switch into photo mode, the tracking still works, which is really cool. So if you want to use that feature a little bit early with these different modes, then try out iOS beta 18 early if you want to. And the nice thing is that as Apple upgrades the DockKit framework, the tracking is only going to be getting better and better. But what makes it truly special is that it's compatible with over 200 third-party iOS apps like the new Final Cut Camera, Blackmagic Camera app, and even CapCut and so much more. So right here, you can see that I have Final Cut Camera open. I'm gonna switch to the front cam and oh, this is so cool. There you go, Final Cut Camera is working with the auto tracking with Apple's DockKit. And now you can see that we have the Blackmagic camera app open. So let's hit the front cam, and just like that, oh, there it goes. The Blackmagic camera is also working to detect my face and track it. It even works with live streaming platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, and others, so it's perfect for recording shorts, which is really easy on the Flow Pro since you can instantly switch to portrait mode while recording, just double tapping that reverse button. There you go, we are now in portrait mode. As you can see right here, I am in the YouTube app right now. And yep, YouTube is now auto tracking my face so I can record a nice quick YouTube short. And here we are in YouTube Live. YouTube Live also tracking my face automatically. And going even further, it also works with chat and online meeting apps like FaceTime, Zoom, Google Meet, and more. Hey, what's up? All right, here we are in FaceTime, and the auto tracking is still tracking my face with DockKit. That's really cool. I can't believe it's working so well. Hey, thanks, Ben. Sorry for distracting you, man. Thanks for this example. And what's really cool is that if you're using a Mac, it also supports Apple's continuity camera feature for when you want to use your iPhone as your webcam. And the Flow Pro makes it even better with automatic tracking support, making it perfect for meetings and presentations where it will track you and with this tripod stand. And now moving on to an exclusive feature that knocks out any competing gimbal, the Flow Pro supports 360-degree infinite pan tracking. So for example, I can set it down on this table using the built-in tripod and watch as I walk around this table. Check this out. It's gonna keep tracking me all the way around. So watch as it's tracking. Okay, going around, going around. Woo! It's still tracking me. Boom, 360 degrees, and watch as I do it again. It's gonna go around again in a circle. And boom, I am back a second time. That's 2 full 360-degree spins, which is really impressive because there's no limits, no interruptions, nothing that's gonna stop it. While other gimbals, they can't go all the way around. Like let's say the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 can only rotate 86% of the way, then it gets stopped out and it has to reset. This thing does 360-degree infinitely. Now, if you want to test out even more unique features, the Insta360 app takes the Flow Pro to a whole nother level. This will enable Insta360's AI-powered Deep Track 3.0, which includes really unique features like person re-identification, which will re-identify you and start tracking again even after you went out of view or behind an object. So as you can see, I'm recording right now, and it is tracking me as I'm walking. Now watch what happens when I leave the room. It should lose focus of me. And now that I'm back, you can see that it re-identified me. It has a box over my face, and it is automatically tracking again. Now it also features all angle tracking, where it's gonna continue tracking subjects and people when they change shape or angle and as you move. So let me try to go like this, and I'm gonna turn around and see if it'll continue tracking me. Yep. It is? Okay. Hey, even without seeing my face, from different angles, it was able to continue tracking me as I moved. And something new this time around is actually animal tracking. So it's not just for people or objects, but animals like cats, dogs, and horses with ease. It also has features like gesture control, so you could put your hand up like this and have it auto record and auto track, just like that, which is really cool. Or of course, you can use the zoom wheel to zoom in and out. You can switch between the zoom modes, or you can hold it like this to slowly zoom in, get the perfect amount of zoom that you want. And if you're tracking something like a fast-moving pet, you could also change the tracking sensitivity to track even more accurately. The Insta360 app also has a bunch of other cool features like 360 Panorama Photo, allowing you to take super high-quality panoramas using the 48 megapixel sensor on the iPhone 14 Pro or the 15 Pro. As you can see, it's taken a bunch of photos and it's gonna combine them together. There you go, it's stitching the photo right here, and bam, it just created a panorama. You can even do time shift, which is a hyperlapse or a motion time lapse, which is really unique as well. The app also includes AI-powered editing tools, so you can do things like auto editing, which turns out awesome, taking out the most action-packed sessions of your footage and editing it together for you into a highlight reel. The AI warp feature is also really cool, automatically adding unique AI-powered effects to your video clips. So as an overall package, the Insta360 Flow Pro is hands down the best accessory you can buy for your iPhone right now, especially with the new features like native camera app recording. And right now, you can get an exclusive deal for Insta360 Flow Pro from the link in the description below. The first 30 purchases will receive a free spotlight, so don't miss out on this amazing offer. Let me know your thoughts on the Flow Pro down in the comment section below, and definitely subscribe above for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.